back to another Vlogmas. It's your girl Sza. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Y'all, it goes a long way by supporting. It don't cost you nothing by liking, comment, and sharing. Alright, also following as well. Okay, so y'all see the title. It's about Kim Kardashian, Kanye West, which go by Ye. And I'm gonna say my little 2 cents, you know, dealing with Pete. I think his last name is Davidson or something. But yeah, but anyway, so let's get right into this juicy video.
Alright, ladies, I'm gonna get your thoughts on about this tweet about Kanye. The tweet says, Kim K specifically said on television that she had all the big grand things with Kanye, but none of the little things. He throwing contests, trying to take over the metaverse to win her back, and sis just wants a hug, a jogging buddy, and an amusement park date. Men are so annoying. What do you think about this tweet? They're basically saying that, you know, he does the big things, but she wants the small, simple things that make a girl laugh. She has everything she could ever want in life. What do y'all think about this?
Okay, I'm gonna just say this. I feel like that goes with knowing somebody's love language. Each person, like if you with somebody, like their love language could be different from you, so you have to know your partner very well. And even down to like at the beginning, like with Kim, like she has everything that she's want. All she just needs, like, the cuddle, the kids, knowing that she's okay, you know, stuff like that, like the little stuff. Like, yeah, y'all gotta know your partner. Y'all gotta really know your partner, okay? So I feel like that's really important in communication. Like, if she told him that's what she's looking for and he still wanna do big things, then obviously that's his problem. You know what I'm saying? And it just, homegirl is tired. Homegirl is tired. Homegirl is single. Well, she's filing for a single divorce or something like that. You know, she wants what she wants. And she looking daggone good with it too, you know what I'm saying? Congratulations with her. She had passed the bar whatever, something dealing with law. Congratulations to her. She looking really good in that blue. I was like, what, Kim? Go, Kim. Okay, girl. So I was like, okay, congratulations to you, for real. Like, she doing her thing. She doing her thing. She came a long way. Y'all give it up to her, because she did came a long way, even down to meeting Kanye and stuff like that. Like, from the very beginning, like, we all know how she came up, you know. And her mom is slick, but I can honestly get to it. Like, she took it and flipped it and made it a business out of it somehow, you know. But yeah, so let's carry on with this.
Is there truth to this tweet?
I think so, because even when you date up, you know what I mean, you date a man that's not even rich, he's wealthy, you know, you run the risk of understanding and knowing what your value is in the relationship. Is it going to be, you know, daddy, I need some money, or you get an allowance, or you're actually buying the Christmas present for the family and for him with his money? Like, you try to get in where you can fit in, kind of thing. I also think that I had something really I was about to say, but I just kind of like,
I feel you, girl. Sometimes I be like that.
But it is in the simple things. It's the way that we like to remain magical as a kid. You know what I mean? Of laughing and
exactly
things that matter.
And I'm gonna say that right there. I'm gonna pause right here. And I think Pete Davidson, I think he gives that to her. You know, like the simple things, the laughter and stuff. Come on, we already seen like some of the videos with both of them. And Kanye, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like Kanye is he might could be a little wild and jokey on it, you know, but I feel like he's so serious. And I think Kim just needs somebody fun and excitement and knowing exactly what she wants. You know what I'm saying? Like she just said, she wants something simple. If you can't get homegirl what she wants, something simple, she can find it somewhere else, boo. Come on now, let's be honest.
We want to know that you're thinking about us in a small type of way, not that you can just buy us, because when you have the money and the life,
materials ain't everything.
Okay, You know, she can buy anything. So it doesn't become about that. It really becomes about the connection of what you all have together.
Exactly.
How special that is. And if you don't make those moments special, then I'm empty because I can buy everything else.
Right.
So that goes back to the saying, money can't buy you.
And she gonna be bored too. Like, come on.
I think Pete's meat is bigger. Selena, what do you think?
Spice it up with the simple stuff.
Go back to my signal again. Okay. I agree with what Lisa Ray said. Totally. I think from a woman's perspective, that's dead on. Like it always be the simple stuff that we be, you know, wishing people be like, you doing all this here swinging off the ropes, and we just want you to just land on the floor and come talk to us.
Okay.
But I think that what Kanye be thinking, this is a wild guess, because his mistakes were so big, he feel like my apologies need to be even bigger.
I can see that.
Because he's in a celebrity relationship, and this is just.
But that falls back with communication, though.
Because his relationship.
Y'all need to express how y'all feel with one another and what can change, what can I do, can fix it. You know what I'm saying?
Like, I don't know this. That he has to apologize to everybody. So the apology needs to be so big because the reward is so big, first of all. But the apology needs to be so big because his mistakes were that big.
Yeah.
I don't necessarily think that's the answer. I still feel like what Lisa Ray said was, you know, the perspective that he should be thinking of. But you know how men are.
That's pretty nice, Selena. I can feel you on that. I can see where you went with that. Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? They be dumb, you know.
Great points, ladies.
The truth hurts, y'all. The truth hurts.
He's been right ever since he was. Remember, he was looking down, texting, and he ran into that pole. He walked into that pole.
Oh, we'll be hearing stuff that we'll be hearing. You be holding out, girl. I am in
damn. She be in the place that have it.
He do have really bad mental health issues.
That was like the party kids. He hit his head so hard, and then he got so mad at paparazzi because he was trying to be Mr. Cool and texting and walking at the same time, and like,
girl, he walked right into the stop.
Send that to me. I want to see it.
Oh my God, it's so petty.
He walked right into a stop sign.
So what you guys think? Do y'all feel like she needs to continue on moving forward or step back and fight for her marriage? I mean, she's already filing single divorce. I mean, she's still gonna fight for it, you know. Or I feel like she did that to get him attention because he's always doing something out of the blue, something crazy. And the fact that he actually said some stuff on stage and she was there with the kids, I feel like that was not the right place to do it. I feel like however he felt should have been one-on-one personal, you know. And then she felt that was okay, then, you know what I'm saying, because obviously that wasn't okay to do, because right after, not too far from it, she automatically filed for single divorce. I was like, damn, that was fast. So that was embarrassing for her, because that was tough, you know what I'm saying, for that to be so quick like that and the word got out like that. That's crazy. So, but yeah, to me, I feel like you can get somebody many chances, but it's up to them for them to actually change and to see and to understand where you're coming from. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't just have like one person putting like 100% and the other person is only putting 50. Like, nah, that's not gonna work. Communication, reciprocating, knowing that person love language, like that's really important. Just like what she said, she wants something simple, and I'm pretty sure she probably told Kanye exactly what she wants, but he ain't trying to hear it. And then again, you know what I'm saying, like the guy going through a lot mentally, you know what I'm saying, like that's always sucks. But I'm proud of her, because I mean, she was with him for a really long time, and I mean, she dealt with him as much possible as she can, you know, trying to get him back on track. So more power to her, you know. And the fact that she got the kids and she got her business going and she got school and stuff, like, girl got a lot going on and she is still holding it down. So congratulations once again to her, you know what I'm saying. Hey, she's doing a thing out here, single mother life, you know what I'm saying. She's doing a thing out here. But yeah, that's tough, that's sad. Their situation is very sad to me. But I'm really happy for her that she had moved forward and she have to do what she need to do for her kids. You know what I'm saying? You know, her kids looking up to her, you know. So down in the comments, let me know what you guys think about Kim and Kanye, and you know, Kim, little side boo, you know what I'm saying, little sneaky link. What you guys think about that? So stay tuned for more video. Your girl is out.